So now it's time and I'd like to restart. So if you're ready, please turn your camera off and camera on, and please look at the screen now. So this is the one that I have covered last week and spent some time to discuss about. So what is autonomy, and what is a kind of a relation and the difference between gaining support from other people? Of course, we definitely need support of other people, but nobody would support people who is doing nothing. So you need to do what you need to do and need to work autonomously, which influences other people. But at the same time, you don't you are not able to do everything on your own. So we need to understand the importance of both. And when you have a team, definitely you will need somebody to work autonomously. Need to work somebody to work autonomously. Otherwise, you will need to check every detail. So these two do not contradict. You yourself, you need to work on your own, and you will like to have a people who can work on their own. And at the same time, you definitely need to seek for help, support of other people. And that is the fastest way for you to switch your comfort zone. So we need to understand both. And particularly these days, we are working remotely, and there are people sort of isolated from their boss or colleague and office. And then we need to understand what we can do. So the want to and also the should do. Should do is not necessarily have to, but if you are assigned to that or committed to that, you may feel that reluctantly, but you are doing. That is part of the life. That's okay. But the ideal life is that you are living 100% or close to 100% want to. If you have such kind of life, that's going to be further powerful. Okay, and that is coming from the cause. But before going to that, I would like to pause for a while. We only have 40 minutes left, so I need to cover the last topic. But if you have come up with a question for the involvement or this autonomy or anything, I take a time for you to ask. But I will be able to spend only a short minute. Okay, then as the last part, I'll try to secure some time. And so let me move into the really last section for the 2 weeks, the cause theory.